Becoming an RCMP officer takes 9 stages and a 4.3% acceptance rate. By 2028, the whole process could be just 6 months. Here is how it works. You need a high school diploma, a driver's license, and Canadian residency. No degree needed, no maximum age. First, apply on GC Jobs. Pass the online entrance exam, submit your documents in a tight 14-day window. A suitability interview tests your integrity. A polygraph checks your honesty. Inconsistencies here end your file. A 10-year background investigation. They call neighbors, employers, and check your entire history. Then 26 weeks at Depot in Regina. You get paid $1,000 a week, and if you finish, you earn the badge. From application to constable in as little as 6 to 12 months now. Only 4.3% make it, but those who do serve Canada.